Welcome to my YouTube channel Statisticians Club. I hope everyone is fine. Please subscribe the channel. Also press bell icon to receive latest videos. In this video, we solve a numerical question with the help of law of complementation. Here is the statement of question. A coin is tossed 4 times in succession. What is the probability that at least one head occur? In this question, we find probability of at least one head occur in case we toss a coin 4 times. In this experiment, sample space consists of 2 raised power 4 is equal to 16. So 16 is the sample point in this question. Why we use 2 raised power 4? Because in coin tossing experiment, a coin has 2 outcomes, head or tail. So for this reason we take 2 here, and because we toss a coin 4 times, so 2 raised power 4 is equal to 16 sample points. If we have experiment that we toss a coin 3 times, then our sample points will be 2 raised power 3 is equal to 8. In case of 2 times, we toss a coin 2 times, 2 raised power 2 is equal to 4 sample points. In case of one experiment, 2 raised 1 is equal to 2 sample points. So with these example, as you know, the time in which we toss a coin, so this will would be our number. So 2 raised power 4 is equal to 16 sample points. Here is our sample space. There is a chance 4 time head appears, and there is also chance 4 time tails appears, and other fluctuations are here. 16 sample points. Let A represent the event at least one head occur. A is such event at least one head occur. At least one head means minimum one head or more. And A complement, which is the event inverse of A, the elements of A complement does not belong to the event A. So opposite of A is A complement, no head occur. So in this sample space, this is the only event in which no head occur. So probability of A complement is equal to number of favorable outcomes over total number of outcomes. Our favorable outcome here is only 1. Total outcomes are 16. 1 over 16 is our answer. But we solve this question with the help of law of complementation. Probability of A is equal to 1 minus probability of A complement. 1 minus probability of A complement, 1 over 16. So here is 15 over 16. The number of favorable outcomes. Our task is to find what is the probability that at least one head occur. So as you know, here are 15 elements in which headers appear. So 15 over 16 is the answer of probability of A, and we solve it with the help of law of complementation. 1 minus probability of A complement, the same answer, 15 over 16. Thanks for watching. If you want to watch videos on the topic of z-score, proof of law of complementation, definition of probability, law of addition, you can click links in front of your screen. Thanks.